What's up, everybody? It's the One Man Drywall Army, and I'm back today. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to stiffen up one of these pony walls that you see right here, and do it flawlessly every single time. So the first thing you're going to need one of these. These are called a pony wall post, and basically you're going to need to get the right size anchor to work with these posts. What I use is a 3/8 bit, okay? And then if you can see up closely, this bit is like a 32nd of an inch bigger. It's perfect. So when you go to tighten this bad boy down, this sleeve here is going to expand and do exactly what you need it to do, okay? So that's the first thing you need to do. Just make sure you got the right size bolts, and you got one of these. This right here, the pony wall post. The pony wall post will make any pony wall stiff just like you want it. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate me installing one of these anchors and show you guys just how easy it is. Just now that you got the right size bit, you just make Alright, so we're on the second floor. There's lightweight concrete. Concrete is only about 2.5 inches thick. That's not a problem. I've sunk a lot of these into this lightweight stuff, 2.5 inch thin, and every time it turns out perfect, okay? So, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to drop this thing in, okay? It shouldn't take a lot of pressure, just like that. Okay, so that thing is installed perfectly. The next thing you need to do is go back and get the next three. Once you get the next three dropped in like the way you see me do that one, you're going to be ready to tighten them down. So, alright, so we're going to do 2, 3, and 4, and then after 2, 3, and 4, I'm going to show you how beautifully these things work after you tighten them down. Alright, bolt number 3, here we go. You know, another thing I want to add is when you go to tap these things down into the ground, just make sure that the bolt and the nut are flush. You don't want to be like the nut on top with, you know, still 8 to 1/4 inch. Just make sure they're flush, you should be okay. So just like that, and then last but not least, the 4th bolt. Okay. That's right. We're going all the way through, but these type of anchors, none of that matters anything. We don't have to mushroom these bolts out. You just come right in, and once you get them in position, tighten them up and they'll expand on their own, okay? Alright, so this is what I do. When it comes to tightening these things up, I take my Phillips head screw shaft off and just put one of these bits on there, half-inch bit, and just basically tighten them up. At first, they're gonna spin like crazy, and then eventually you're gonna hear it clicking away. When it starts to click away, you know that it's getting tight. Yes, sir. Okay. You'll feel it, and look how rigid it is. This thing is solid. The base is not moving, but the pole is a little bit. The pole is rigid. Once you get drywall on there, you slap a stud up against this like that. This thing will do exactly what it's designed to do. Okay. That's it. Whoa. Okay, so the last but not least thing that you're going to need to do is, regardless of your layout, wherever you install this post at, you're going to need to put another stud on it. And it's really simple. It's just an added stud. Get it in there like that. Okay, so first things first. Alright, so the next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to just put another, we're going to need to put just another track in there like that. Once you get that in there in place, whatever it is that you do, you can see that I use this stud right here to splice it in. Well, basically that's what I got to do right here as well. I'm going to stick this stud in here. Oh, it's a little long. You got any snips? Let me see some snips. Okay. So this is now long, so what I'm going to do is just snip this out. Now to accommodate the new stud that's on the out. And just like that. To accommodate the situation. Just like that. Super simple. Hopefully I got enough of it, and then bam. Pop the new one in. So once you get the new one in, you just re-screw this thing off where it was. Throw a torpedo up on this, just like that. And voila. You got yourself a pony wall post that's never going to go anywhere. And with that being said, I appreciate you watching my videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.